my first friend I made in the Indian team was actually Smriti. Because it so happened that we used to share rooms at that time. And we had a team manager, Trupti ma'am.
Yeah.
So she was our Mumbai team selector the previous year. So she knew me well. So on purpose, she had kept me with Smriti just because batters, they can share the same mindset. And she wanted me to, Smriti to teach me a lot of things and stuff and make me grow and stuff. So I remember walked in the hotel room and tried, and Smriti was already there. So my first ever, I've heard a lot about her, not interacted much with her before that. Just heard so much about her and how good she is. And everyone in Mumbai used to give an example, become like Smriti. See how focused she is on her game and everything. So I was like, I'll go. So I opened the room. I looked to the left side, all clothes everywhere. I said, okay, I'll keep my luggage this side. Look here, shoes, socks, everywhere.
Okay.
I tried and looked that side to the further end. Something clothes, something. So the room is fully messy. So I'm like, what should I do? And by then, Smriti was like, she had an iPad here, a cricket match going on here. She turns around and she's like, oh, hi, Jamie, how are you? And she starts a conversation. And we just click. We just start talking. Means we talk. I can hear her also. And she also somehow ended up gelling up really well with me. So then that happened and we spoke. And then suddenly she turns and I see one Karan Johar movie playing on her screen. I'm like, you watch movies also?
Yeah.
And she got offended, like, I don't know what crime I did by questioning if she watched. She's like, what do you mean I do? I love watching movies.
Yeah.
Like, oh, no. I just thought you always, full day cricket and stuff like that. She's like, no, that people made up my image like that. I also wear specs, so people feel I'm that nerdy, but I love watching movies. And I was like, then what about this IPL game? She's like, ye to chal hi raha tha. I didn't realize there was some movies happening. So that's how our conversation happened. And about my suitcase still, I'm still there starting with my suitcase. I don't know what to do. So what I did, because she was a little senior by then, I used to put the suitcase on the bed, remove few clothes, take a shower, put the clothes back, pack my suitcase and make it stand there.
Okay.
Then I think after 1-2 days, she realized that I'm doing that. She's like, Adi, you should have told me, I'll make place for you. She just pushed all the clothes that side and gave me some space. So yeah, our bond started.